Artificial intelligence like ChatGPT is revolutionizing business, changing the way we approach tasks and solve problems. It's becoming an indispensable tool for professionals across various industries. From drafting emails, saving valuable time and effort, to brainstorming ideas, fostering innovation and creativity within teams. But most companies barely tap into its true potential, often scratching the surface of what AI can truly offer. The secret? It's not just using AI, simply having access to the technology, but how you communicate with it, the art of guiding AI to achieve specific outcomes. A vague prompt like, write a marketing email for our new software, lacks direction and context, gets you generic, forgettable content. It's uninspired and unlikely to resonate with your target audience. But a detailed prompt, one that provides clear instructions and context. Act as a senior marketing manager. Draft a 250-word email for ConnectSphere, our new team collaboration tool, targeting small business owners. Highlight improved communication, project management, and affordable pricing. End with, start your 14-day free trial today. Yields focused, persuasive results. The AI understands the specific goals and delivers content that aligns perfectly. The difference is night and day. This is prompt engineering crafting instructions that guide AI to deliver exactly what you need. It's about precision and clarity. It's about being specific, giving context and setting clear expectations. Think of it as providing a detailed blueprint. Master this, and ChatGPT becomes your specialized business assistant. It's like having an expert on demand. You'll get high-quality, tailored content, fast. Efficiency and effectiveness combined. Throughout this masterclass, we'll show you how to turn simple requests into powerful business results. Unlock the true potential of AI. Your words are the key to unlocking AI's full value. It all starts with the way you communicate. Move beyond basic queries. Engineer your prompts for impact. Make every word count. Let's dive in and transform the way you work with AI. Embrace the future of work. The right prompt can change everything. To get truly exceptional results from AI, you need a structured and thoughtful approach to prompt design. It's not just about asking a question, it's about crafting a precise request. Enter the CRISPR Framework, a powerful tool to guide your AI interactions. Context, role, instruction, specifics, perspective, and requirements. CRISPR is your essential checklist for creating clear, effective, and highly targeted prompts. Start with context. Give background like, we're a B2B SaaS company launching an analytics tool specifically designed for e-commerce businesses. Next, assign a role. You are a seasoned sales director with over 15 years of experience. Then, instruction. What do you want the AI to do? Draft a compelling product description for our new analytics tool. Add specifics. Details like, focus on highlighting the non-toxic, effective, and biodegradable packaging. Ensure it's safe for both pets and kids. Perspective. Whose viewpoint should the AI adopt? Write from a busy parent's perspective who values convenience and safety. Requirements. Any constraints or specific guidelines? Keep it to a 400-word blog post, maintain an informal and friendly tone, include 2 customer testimonials, and end with a thought-provoking question. Each element carefully sharpens the AI's focus, leading to a more refined and relevant output. CRISPR ultimately saves you valuable time and ensures you get business-ready results that align with your goals. Use it as your essential blueprint for crafting every single prompt you create. The more complete and detailed your prompt, the significantly better and more accurate your results will be. So let's dive in and see how each part of the CRISPR framework works in practice, with some real-world examples. Assigning ChatGPT a specific role transforms its output from generic to expert level. For example, as a CFO, it can analyze financial statements, identify challenges, and suggest strategies. As a marketing director, it can craft a content strategy for a Gen Z-focused fashion brand, suggesting post types and influencer ideas. Or as a business analyst, it can evaluate launching a new product, outlining market opportunities and hurdles in a structured report. Role-play primes the AI to use the right tone, knowledge, and style for the task. This technique unlocks nuanced, professional, and actionable content. Assign a role and watch your AI become an instant expert. Setting clear constraints turns ChatGPT's output from generic to business-ready. Specify length. Summarize this report in 300 words, or list 5 key messages under 20 words each. Define formatting. Create a job description with bullet points for responsibilities and qualifications, or output as a JSON object with employee details. Set tone. Write an apologetic, empathetic response to a customer complaint, or draft a confident, celebratory press release. Constraints save editing time and ensure the output fits your needs. They keep content concise, structured, and on brand. The more precise your boundaries, the more usable the result. Don't leave it to chance. Guide the AI with clear rules. Constraints are your shortcut to ready-to-use business content. Use them for every prompt. Your workflow will thank you. Even with great prompts, the first AI output isn't always perfect. That's where iteration comes in. Think of it as a conversation, not a one-off command. Start broad. Suggest team-building ideas. If the list is too generic, refine. Our team is remote. Suggest 3 virtual options for a tech company. Still not specific enough? Drill down. Expand on the virtual hackathon idea. Suggest a theme and agenda. Each follow-up sharpens the result. Iterative prompting lets you co-create tailored, valuable content. Don't settle for the first draft. Guide the AI step by step. The more you iterate, the better the output. Use feedback to sculpt responses to your exact needs. This process turns AI into a true business collaborator. Refine, repeat, and get results that fit. Let's see prompt engineering in action across real business scenarios. We're going to dive into how you can leverage the power of AI to solve everyday business challenges. For marketing, try Act as a Brand Manager. Using CRISPR, draft a 350-word blog post for eco-friendly coffee pods. This is your chance to really showcase the benefits of your product. Target millennials, highlight taste, convenience, eco-benefits, fair trade beans, zero plastic. Write passionately, include a launch discount call to action. Make it compelling and impossible to ignore. For competitor analysis, you are a senior market analyst. Analyze Taskmaster Pro using their website and recent news. Dig deep and uncover their strengths and weaknesses. Create a SWOT table with brief bullets, focusing on what matters for a new competitor. This will give you a clear picture of the competitive landscape. For meeting prep, act as a sales director preparing for a contract renewal with Global Corp. List key value props, likely objections, and persuasive counter-arguments. Use bullet points, confident tone, max 5 points per section. Be prepared to address any concerns and close the deal. These prompts combine CRISPR roles, constraints, and iteration for strategic, actionable output. The result? Not just content, but insights that drive decisions and efficiency. Invest in detailed prompts and you'll get high-value responses. Prompt engineering turns AI into a business partner, not just a text generator. Use these techniques to streamline workflows and boost productivity. The payoff is smarter, faster, and more relevant business solutions. Don't just use AI, make it work for you. Every function, from marketing to analysis, benefits from engineered prompts. The more you practice, the more value you unlock. Prompt engineering is your edge in the AI-powered workplace. Start applying these methods today. Watch your business scenarios transform. The future of work is here. Engineer your prompts and lead the way. As you master prompt engineering, you'll face common hurdles. Vague outputs? Add more detail. Use CRISPR to clarify context, audience, and goals. Too long or too short? Set word or bullet limits. Not quite right? Iterate. Make this more concise, or expand on point 2. AI hallucinating facts? Provide more context, request sources, and always verify important info. Off-brand tone? Specify the desired style. Professional, warm, witty, or urgent. Even include a sample snippet if needed. Attention to detail ensures the AI's voice matches yours. Mastering prompts turns ChatGPT into an indispensable business tool. Use frameworks, assign roles, set constraints, and iterate. Practice daily. Apply these skills to real tasks. You'll unlock smarter, faster, and more strategic results. Start now and make AI your business advantage.